I'm Meg from BJ's Automotive here today with your tech tip. Today we're going to talk about brake rotors and when it's time to replace them. Now on today's vehicles, manufacturers have actually gone to a rotor that is made out of a softer material. The reason why they did this is so that your vehicle doesn't sound like a city bus whenever you step on the brakes. That means generally if your brake pads are due to be replaced, so aren't your brake rotors. A couple other signs that your brake rotors need to be replaced is if they're all covered in rust or oxidized, such as this one. Because there's no longer a smooth surface for your brake pads to grip a hold of, the braking force of your vehicle is actually compromised and it becomes very unsafe. Your stopping distance will be much greater than what they would be if your brakes were functioning normally. Another sign that your brake rotor needs to be replaced is that it has been completely scored by a metal-on-metal contact surface with the back part of your brake pad. This generally happens when all of the brake pad material is completely gone and there's nothing left but the metal backing. Generally, when you reach this point, you get this really loud grinding or scraping noise, and it's most definitely time to get your brakes looked at. If you're hearing any other signs or symptoms that you may be having issues with your brakes, give us a call. We can get you in and advise you on the best course of action. That's your tech tip for today. Stay tuned for next week.